This is AMS TV and you are watching AMS English News, and here are today's top stories. The Madhya Pradesh government may soon ask the central government for a CBI investigation in actress Trisha Sharma's death case. A court in Bhopal has rejected the demand for a second post-mortem. However, the court directed police to safely keep the body in a mortuary so that it does not decompose. Chief Minister Dr. Mohan Yadav met Trisha's family and promised support. The government also plans to apply for cancellation of the bail granted to Trisha's mother-in-law and retired Judge Kiribala Singh. The case is getting attention across the state, and many people are waiting for further action and updates from the police and government. Village employment assistant in Madhya Pradesh may now retire at the age of 62 years. Chief Minister Dr. Mohan Yadav made this announcement during a large conference held at Chambori Ground in Bhopal. He said the government expects employment assistant to support village development and public welfare work. The Chief Minister also spoke about benefits for workers. Women employment assistants may receive maternity leave, optional leave, and pregnancy-related support. Male employment assistant may get 15 days of paternity leave. The government said it is working on these facilities to improve the lives of workers and provide better support to employees in rural areas. The Madhya Pradesh government has approved the transfer policy for the year 2026. According to the new policy, employees and officers at the state and district levels can be transferred between June 1st and June 15th. The decision was taken during a cabinet meeting led by Chief Minister Dr. Mohan Yadav. The draft policy was prepared by the General Administration Department and sent to the Chief Minister's office for approval. After discussion and agreement from ministers, the final policy was accepted. Government employees across the state are now waiting for transfer orders and updates regarding their postings and job locations. Two ministers in Bhopal surprised many people by travelling to a cabinet meeting in an e-rickshaw. Gautam Petwal and Narayan Singh Pawar used the e-rickshaw to reach the ministry on Wednesday. Both ministers live near each other in the Foremli area and travel about 2.5 kilometers together. Their simple travel style became a topic of discussion among people. Many saw it as a sign of simplicity and support for environment-friendly transport. People also discuss how public representatives can encourage clean and affordable transport in cities. Khajuraho recorded a very high temperatures of 47.4 degrees Celsius on Wednesday, making it one of the hottest places in Madhya Pradesh. According to weather officials, this is the highest temperature recorded in the city during the month of May. Earlier, the highest temperature there was 46.9 degrees Celsius in April 1993. Many cities in the states are facing extreme heat and people are finding it difficult to go outside during the day. Experts advise citizens to drink enough water, stay indoors during afternoon hours and avoid direct sunlight to stay safe from heat problems.